Now student, in this session I will tell you something about the topic, that is table of content. So now before starting that how you can create table of content, you should know that what is table of content. So table of content is simply, in our word, it is called index. So the table of content is usually found in the starting of the any book or any chapter, and it contains the chapter, the sections, the subsections, the topic, the subtopic. Sometimes when you are reading in your book, for example you are reading chapter number 5, then the section is divided into 5.1, 5.2, 5.3, and 5.4. And if there are any subsections, then it is also divided into 5.1.1, 5.1.2, means the section 1 and 2 comes under the section 5.1. So it is also written in the similar form as I am talking to all. It is an example that I can show you here, that you can see in this example that term 3. This is the chapter number 3, that is SLAM tutorial. This is called SLAM tutorial. So in this particular chapter, under this chapter, there are 5 or 6 subtopics are included here, means 3.1. And under 3.1 section, there is one more section, that is 3.1.1. And if there any other subsection under this section also, then the number of this particular section will be 3.1.1.1. Now you can see here also that in the given example here, you can see that it is written here 3.6, and now this is the 3.6.1, 3.6.2, 3.6.3, means these are the subsection of the section 3.6, and the 3.6 is a subsection of the chapter 3. So this is a way in which you can design your table of content, and with the help of table of content, it is very easy to understand that a particular section or chapter contains how many sections or subsections. So we can create it also. Now in this video I can show you that how can you create the table of sections by your own. So now starting, this type of subsection is a combination of the numbered and ordered and unordered list. You can create a table of content using only ordered list or using only unordered list. So now I can show you in both the ways that how can you create the table of content. So now starting with a very small example, that I am selecting here the ordered list. The very first is number 1. Now I can make that bold, so it is much easier to see you. 1. In the 1, I am typing here input device. And when you press the enter key, you can see there is automatically the 2 number is shown. So you can enter the second chapter or the second title. But if you have any subtitle under the number 1 topic, then what you can do, you can click here, and here you can see the option change list label. Change list label identifies that the sections is divided into the subsections, and the subsections are further divided into the some more subsections. So this is the level number 1, this is the level number 2, this is the level number 3. As you can see, all these level are indented, means you can see there is a diagonal line. So we are on the second level, we will have to enter the data in the second level. So what we can do, that we can press this number. So you can see that the number A is written as the subsection of the topic 1. I am writing here keyboard. Now again, when you press the enter, it will remain in the same section. Now we will have to again change the section if you want, but I want to enter here one other, that is mouse. Now from here onwards. If you want to add types of mouse, then what you can do, you can again, for example, enter the term C, and now you want to make the subsection of the subsection mouse. Are you understanding my point? That you want to create a subsection of the section mouse. Now what you have to do, you will have to again go on the change list level, and it will your third level of the, so you can click here and you will write here type of mouse, suppose that optical and mechanical. So this is a simple way which you can create a section, subsections, and the subsections, subtopics, whatever, how many sections you want to create, how many levels you want to create. So this is done with the help of the option that is change list label. Change list level, with the help of this option, you can have separate level of the description, as you can see in the term table of content. Now in the next topic, I am going to show you that how can you create the table of content with the help of, now you can again, if you want to come at the first, you can click on the first level and you will be here on the second number. And for example, you are writing here output device. Now enter. Now again, go to the change list level option. Click on the second level. As you can see, it is the first level, it is the second level, and it is the third level. So now output devices are the monitor and printer. Now again, if you want to enter the types of printer, you can again go for the change list level option, and it will be the third level. So you will have to click on the level 3. As you can see in the tool tip text, it is also written the level 3. Now click here and you can write the type of the printer here also. So all this term you can do with the help of two options from the keyboard also. The first one is the tab and the second one is the shift plus tab option. In order to decrease the level, means when you are in the level 1 and you want to enter data into level 2, you will have to press the tab key. And if you want to come out from the level, you will have to press the key that is shift plus tab. I can show you one more time. For example, the same thing I will be printed, but you will not see any um, option over here. For example, I am starting with the number 1. Now I am writing here input device. Now tab key is pressed. You cannot see any drop down menu or any change list option, but you can see here. Let it be on a single page. I am writing here keyboard. Again mouse. And now I want to change the level. I will again press the tab key. There is no any drop down menu you can see, but here the labeling is changing. Now you can write here optical or whatever you want to write. Now I want to get the level in the increasing direction, so I will press shift tab. Now you can see. Okay, here I am going to write output. And for the subsection, for example, I want to write A and B. I am pressing tab. Tab key is used to increase the level, means level 2, level 3, level 4. If you are increasing the level, then you will be pressing the tab key. And if you are decreasing the level, then you will have to press the shift tab. Okay, so this is all about table of content. The objective of this topic is to know that what is table of content, and for the practical example, you will have to know that how you can create the table of content. So this is all about this topic.